Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so you can see that recently I've been doing videos about this crypto AI bot that is making people rich, that is helping people make more money. Yeah, you can see that this one is a $10 account, and this one is my demonstration account that I use to do videos for people to see it. Yeah. So some will be saying that hey, $10 account and you'll be earning 7.1 USDT. I make even more. Yeah. So this is a secret. This one is an AI bot that trade for you. Yeah. And if you want this AI bot, it's just $60, and I'll video call you and even show you more about this AI bot and the setup and everything. I will do everything for you. Yeah. So these bots will trade for you whilst you relax. Yeah. So you can see that on this $10 account, I earn 1.5% per trade. So it means that every day it trades two times for me. That's 3% every day. Yeah. So if you are a beginner, you'll be earning $3% every day. But when you have $30 upwards as a capital or as $30 account, you can earn 2% per trade. So as a beginner, you can trade two times a day. That's 4% every day, and it's very good. It's very good. So if right now I have $10 accounts, right? So if I go to my arbitrage here, you see that this is it. So if I trade, I'll be getting 1.5%. So that means it's around $0.15 per trade. You see that thing? Yeah. So if I click on start arbitrage, I reason that on a $10 account, I aim $0.15 every trade. So twice the trade is what? $0.30 every trade. You see that thing? So this one is just like for just $10 account. So imagine if you have $100, it means that you'll be earning 1.5, right? 1.5 dollars per trade. So the twice trade is what? $3. So let's do this simple math. So $3, and you're able to do it. Let's say $3 for a month is 31 days, right? Times 31, that's $33 a month, and and $3 times 31, that's the month, right? So 365 days, you're making 1,095. So it means that you have 8,095 profit on the $100. You see that thing? And this one is unlimited. How I will do it for you, I will do the description and everything for you, and it's unlimited use. Yeah. So you can use it unlimited. You see that thing? Yeah. So any amount start from $10 account upwards, you'll be earning more money with it. Yeah. So just like this, right now it's preheating and it will trade everything for me whilst I relax. So I can just relax, be there, and the boats will trade everything for me. And people were saying that, so how long will it be? You can trade as many as you want. You can see this is not my real account though. This one I just use it for videos. I said that this account have this account. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, it's trading, so it will not show. It will show over here, but right now I'm currently in trade. So I wanted to show you something, but I'm currently in trade. I've used this account to trade more than 100 times. Is that thing? Yeah, I've used just this account to trade like 148 times, something like that. Yeah, and my raw account, I've used it more than 864 times. You see, yeah. So it's there. You can trade as many as you want. Just wake up every day, just do like this. You can even cut the screen and attend to what you want to do, and it will trade for you. You see, so it will trade for you. So even on this account, 0.15, right? So 0.15 times 365. That's a year. That's $54. You said that $54. Yeah, on a $10 account. So imagine. And one thing about beginners, I always advise them that if you're a beginner and you're using small accounts like, let's say, $10 accounts, you see, I would advise you to build the capital first. So when you get your profit, like this, the profits like this in your regular, then you go to your transfer. Then you transfer the money from regular towards the arbitrage accounts and re-enter the trade again. You see, so the more or the higher the capital, the higher the profit. So if you have higher capital, you'll be getting higher profit. Because someone who's trading with $1,500, $300, $150, you can't compare yourself to someone trading with 10,000 and stuff. So that thing, yeah. And someone who's trading with $10, you can't compare yourself to someone who's trading with $100, $300, $200. You see that thing. So one thing about arbitrage is that the higher the capital, the higher the profit. So as a beginner who is trading with $10 or $32 account, I would advise you to keep your profit, rebuild the profit, re-add it, and enter the trade again. And enter the trade again, and that's how it is. Yeah. So if I go to my arbitrage, you can see that right now it's doing the arbitraging, and the amount I'll be getting, the trade that it will be to be trading for me, the coin, everything, it will be showing over here. So to show you the coin, the chain, and everything that is trading, to show you everything. You see that thing? It's very, very, very good to show you everything. All you have to do is just relax, be there, and cash out, just like that. You see that thing? So you can see that right now is doing the arbitraging, and when it's reached 100%, it will show you the coin that is trading and everything, and the money. You can withdraw your money anytime. You can withdraw your profit anytime you want. Yeah. So if you want the AI bot, I have my link in my comment section description as well. You can chat me and I will give you the bot. It's just $60. But one good thing is that on the 28th of this month, I'm hosting a crypto arbitrage for beginners, and this class is going out for $40 for the ticket. That's 400 Ghana cedis. When you buy this class ticket, you'll be getting free AI bots. The AI bot will be given to you for free. Yeah, the AI bot will be given out for you for free. And I'll also show you how to use this AI bots. Yeah, so this month's class is very, very good and very, very special. So if you want to join, you can join anytime. Just buy your ticket. I have the ticket link in the description and in the comment section as well. And if you're watching me from TikTok, the ticket link is in the bio. Just click on it, buy your ticket, and join me, and let's cash out together. So currently, you see that it's working 58% right now. So I'll just leave it for it to work. Yeah, because like as a beginner, you have 2 trades every day. You can trade 2 times every day. Is that thing? Yeah, you can trade 2 times every day. As a beginner, you can trade 2 times, twice every day. Yeah. So it's still trading, right? 6 minutes. Yeah, it's still trading. 67. I've written it. Yeah. And my expected profit is 0.15. So I'll be waiting to expect into hitting my account. So let's see something. You can see that my wallet, I have for 7.1, right? 7.1 in my wallet right now. So let's wait and see something. And one thing is, you can withdraw your money anytime. So if I come to my withdrawal, I can withdraw my money. Can withdraw my money anytime, and the fee is, so they'll charge you $1 as fee. So if I'm withdrawing this one, I'll be getting $6.1 in my wallet. You will bind your BP20 address over here, then you submit it, and it will withdraw for you automatic. That's how it is. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, and everything is done. Just simple like that. Yeah. So I'm still in trade. I want it to be done so that you will see how it is. Yeah. So just stick with me and let's know what's up, bro. Yeah. So you can see that it's doing the arbitration, finalizing everything. So the pen and everything will be here. That thing, yeah, the chain, everything. When I click on the detail, it will show me the pen that it traced and everything. It will show you everything. It will show you how it spot the opportunity, where it's like where the coin was bought, where the coin was sold and everything. It will show you everything. Just very good bot, bro. So it's doing the finalizing. Yeah. So it's doing the finalizing. It's 90% right now, right? So I was saying, like, you can close the app, and do anything that you want to do. You can see that right now it's done. And if I go to my wallet here, I've written it 7.2. 7.2. So if I want to withdraw, you can see I've written it. Yeah, I can withdraw my 7.2. Yeah. So this is very good and very cool. So if you wanted, just chat me and let's talk business. Yeah.